na nakalagay sa bola ng basketball. Itong produktong hatid ng Filipino-Vietnamese-Canadian na si Olivia Ho sa kanyang negosyo na The Give and Grow na naging daan kamakailan para sa isang kolaborasyon sa WNBA.
We've collaborated with the Toronto Tempo, which is Canada's first WNBA team. They're coming in 2026, and we made these little basketball planters over here for the inaugural launch for their merchandise.
Bukod sa basketball planters, isang unan din ang idinisenyo niya para sa launch na ito. Ang negosyong The Give and Grow tumubo raw noong panahon ng pandemya habang nagtatrabaho si Ho sa ospital bilang cardiac sonographer at naghahanap ng pahinga sa realidad. Sinubukan niyang gayahin ng mga nakita niyang planters online at nakakuha ng positibong reaksyon nang pinost niya ito sa social media. Kasabay nito, may isa pa siyang trabaho sa Maple Leaf Sports and Entertainment Launchpad kung saan nagsasagawa siya ng sports programming para sa mga kababaihan.
While COVID was happening and the pandemic was in full effect, all the facilities were closed, and so I wanted to find a way to continue to empower and engage the young girls that I knew from Launchpad. And so when I started making these basketball planters, I thought to myself, how could I make an experience for them where maybe they can customize their own basketball planters, we could put some plants in, but then at the same time, curate these conversations about, the power of sport.
Dito na rin daw nagsimula ang paggawa niya ng mga workshop para sa mga kababaihan. Proyektong nabalitaan ng Toronto Raptors na lumapit sa kanya para magpagawa ng custom planters na iniregalo sa kanilang mga atleta. Pagkatapos nito, bumuhos ang mga oportunidad na nakukuha ni Ho at nakagawa siya ng bagong karera.
Life is so precious. Being at the hospital, I could see firsthand, some of the really negative stuff that happened during that time. And so when I had this opportunity to leave, it wasn't like I was being forced out. It was just a natural synergy of, what, Olivia, these opportunities are here. It's either you're going to take it or, you can let it pass you by.
Sa negosyong ito, layon daw niyang maibahagi ang kahalagahan ng sports sa iba, lalo na pagdating sa pagbuo ng komunidad.
Being in a Filipino community, I played in the Filipino leagues all growing up, and it was this even just community through basketball where, all the young girls and boys would go play on the court, but then on the sidelines you'd have all the titas and the titos cooking lumpia in the back, and it was this community feel of, basketball was at the center of it, but the family, the brothers and sisters and the friends and everything, it was an opportunity for people to just connect every week.
Hinihikayat din niya ang iba na pag-isipan ng epekto ng sport sa labas ng mismong laro.
There's so much happening adjacent to the court when it comes to, fashion, culture, music, art. And so if you can be engaged in one way or another, there's going to be another, I think, beautiful wave of women's sports that isn't going anywhere.
Pangarap ni Ho na palawakin pa ang kanyang negosyo sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng mga planter gamit ang ibang bola upang mahikayat ang dagdag na kababaihan na sumubok sa larangan ng sports. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.